Ah, Africans. Aren't we just proud of our skin color, of our strength, of our ability, of standing up to where we come from? The guy really looks happy. Well, welcome to our edition of This Week. But before we start, remember to check out our YouTube channel, Venda to Know by Opitha, and remember to go and subscribe and make sure you hit the like button. Just also make sure that you also follow our Facebook page, which is Opitha Creative Blog, where you can get more content and also get to be knowledgeable as well. Without any further ado, let's get to the topic. Amazing things Venda people are proud of. The Venda people are known for their love, respect, and compassion in full. Education drives the Venda people, and most commonly, the greatest benefits is becoming one. There's just so much to show and so little time. Let's get to it. Number 5, Nandoni Dam. It's believed to be over 141 feet in height, which is just over 42 meters, and length is 7,267 feet, just over 2,210 meters. Surface area is 1,570 hectares. Its total capacity is 164 million cubic meters. Its impound is Ruvubu River, but the topic here is not just the size. It's a tourism attraction with a lot of lodges surrounding it, wedding venues, and other specific enjoyment areas. Number 4, George Netshilind's made car, My Art. He mentioned in his interview with eNCA he was inspired by the love of cars. From talent and info from car magazines, he made it. The car can be started with just a push of a remote button. He's got lights designed with attention to detail of his own specific style. His car is known to be safe with a safety belt, and it drives up to 260 kilometers an hour. I'd like a ride in the Night Rider. The car has passed its roadworthy test and is registered. Number 3, MGB at 210. With over 60 rooms, 2 bars and a juice bar, basement parking lot, the place is a complete set of luxury. The place has a restaurant which is at the rooftop. And one of the amazing things that you can like about this place is when you're in some of the remote areas of Thando, you can just look up at Sebasa and see some strip lights which have been done with attention to detail. This is a great place that represents class and perfection. Venda people are proud. Just look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Number 2, Ngomalungundu. Is believed to have been used by the Senzi people, who are now called the Venda people. The drum was believed to have been placed in a mountain guarded by, listen to this, lions, the kings, dogs, and snakes with double-sided heads. The drum was carried by 6 men, and it was never to touch the ground. This was no dancing drum. It was an ark of their covenant of the time. The drum is believed to have ended up in Zimbabwe, but there are so many conspiracies concerning this drum. The Venda people could win any fight with this drum in their presence. Amapiano wouldn't play with this one. Number 1, Kokoba, the album, Makadzi. The album is released in 2020, a difficult year with the corona pandemic. The South Africans could not stop dancing though. With Makadzi making more quality music, the album has 21 tracks and you will enjoy song 1 to 21. She's the most loved musician in Venda and she has earned the nickname Venda Queen. She makes the whole of South Africa dance. We're proud of you. We love you, Makadzi. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, Venda to Know by Opitha. There's so much content that we're still going to show, and there's so much things that we can look. You can hit us on the comment section. Just tell us if you agree with our list and if you have any other suggestion and things that we should look into.